What is up, you guys? It's your girl Courtney and welcome back to my channel. Please ignore that I have Mount Everest on the side of my face. We're not going to talk about it. Today we are going to be doing a clean my room / decorate my room with me for fall, and I think it's going to be a really cute video. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I made my coffee, but now I'm about to probably start just making my bed. So let's get into it. Oh, I thought that was a bug. Oh my gosh. Anyways. Okay, so I got these pillows from Ross for my bed, so we are now going to decorate my bed for fall. I'm excited. So my nightstand is like all messy and dirty right now, so now I'm gonna just wipe it down and like put some decorations up for fall as well. Look at what my dog chewed up when she was a puppy. And okay, so this is my nightstand setup now. The only thing that's missing, of course, would be my Apple Watch, but I'm still coming back from vacation and I have a lot to unpack, so I will do that much later. Actually, probably later today, but I don't know, depending on how I feel. But this is the finished product for my nightstand. How cute is she? Besides those bite marks. So right now, I am going to try my garland and see if it's gonna go along my window right up here. And I'm also gonna move my peace lily, which is right here, up into that corner shelf because that's where she belongs. She just wasn't getting enough sun when I was on vacation and she almost died. Almost gave me a heart attack. So I'm gonna put her back where she belongs and then see if my pumpkin garland goes up there. And if it doesn't, I'm gonna probably put it above my mirror. It's cute. It's just there's like a lot going on in this area with like my sun catcher. No, guys. What do y'all think? Oh, she scared me. Look how pretty she is. I love her over here. What I'm gonna just do right now is just clean my mirror right here. Hey guys, by the way, I'm gonna clean my mirror and probably just put my garland all throughout my mirror, and same thing with the lids up there too. Not me already spraying my mirror without recording. Anyways. Are you kidding? So my garland is up around my mirror and so are the lights. So yeah, look how cute. I love it. I'm gonna move over here to my makeup area now. Just wipe down my mirrors and then set it up all nice. I also got this cute little Hello Fall mug and I'm using it for all of my makeup brushes. How cute. Next, I'm just gonna clean this whole area. So of course from my chair to my TV stand and then my juicy tower, I'm gonna clean all of that. And then next we're gonna move on to this stand right over here. We're gonna move on right in this corner over here. Just make sure everything looks nice and tidy. Just in the camera, bro. You're just in the camera. How cutesy is that? Okay, so I'm thinking about putting something right here, but I'm not too sure what. So let's just see. I'm thinking I might put this painting, this little ghost painting right up there. Oops. That is so stinking cute. How cute is that? So now I'm gonna just clean my mirror over here, and then after that, all I have to do is now figure out, I forgot about this baby's breath bouquet that I made, but it's just these last 4 items that I have to put around my room. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I moved my perfume bottle that was up here on my mini wooden shelf, and I think I'm gonna put a pumpkin up there. Or maybe the bouquet, let's see. Let's do the pumpkin first. Okay, that's cute, that's cute. I think the pumpkin's better, but the baby's breath bouquet is actually cute too. So what do you guys think? I don't know. I think I'm gonna switch it back to the pumpkin, but if majority of you guys say in the comments that I should switch it back to the baby's breath, I will. Cute. How cute is that? Can you guys see that? That's cute. I think I like that a lot. Again, let me know in the comments how you guys like it, but I think I really like that. I'm probably gonna put my last pumpkin up here. How cute is that? This is where my doorknob's gonna go, right here. How cute. Okay, so all that's left for me to do is sweep and mop. I did sweep a little bit earlier. As you can see, there is a little pile that I gotta get, but there is still a little bit of dust hanging around. So I'm definitely gonna sweep, mop, and then put my rug back down, light my candles, and we are done. All right, you guys, and here is the finished product. Look at how cute, guys. So this is what the, I would say like the front almost of my room looks like. We have my juicy tower right over here, and then my purse of the week, which I always put right here. So we have my purse of the week, and then we have my TV stand, we have my pumpkin, and then a pumpkin candle right there. And then if you go up, there is also gonna be a pumpkin right up here, and my ivory is gonna go back where she belongs. She's just getting watered at the moment. And then if we wanna bring it over here, my mirrors are all wiped, everything's clean. My mug says, hello fall. Like, how cute is that? I love it. This is my setup for my chair, which is also so cute. Then we have, of course, the hearts right here. purse is on the back right here. And then we have my baby's breath bouquet, the ghost painting, and I did switch out my candles. So I put red candles because fall is coming up too. And then on my jewelry stand, my Nicki Minaj perfume, and then my pumpkin right there. My perfume, picture of me and my T-shell, and then a candle, and then an elephant stand right here. Put my rug down, and lo and behold, my baby, my babe. Say hi to the camera. Good morning. Isn't she so cute? And then over here on my nightstand, of course, I have my remotes. I have my chapstick, my pillow sprays, lotion. Here's a sand and fog. I think this is, yeah, juniper berry sage, my pumpkin, and the book my dog chewed up when she was a baby. And then up here, I have my pumpkin and my plant. And then I did put my garland up here because I didn't like the way it was looking around my window. And then I also have the orange lights over here as well. And then of course, just look at my bed. Oh my gosh, look how cute. And then my throw blanket, and then all my pillows. If anybody comments like that's a lot of pillows, there's never too many pillows, okay? But this is what it looks like. How cute. All right, you guys, so that was the end of today's video. If you liked it, I'm gonna need you guys to comment and subscribe, of course. Let me know down in the comments where I should put that baby's breath because I like where it's at right now, but some of y'all might not. Thank you guys for tuning in. Happy fall, guys. Bye, babies.